This is a tribute to the people doing hot work. Have you seen hot metal light up under pressure before? You should not touch a drop hammer in action. How hot do you think steel is when they forge it? They often forge steel at 1300 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 700 degrees Celsius. Woodworkers use hydraulic press forging in many industries. The pressure from mechanical hammer is intense. Metal production requires significant investments in technology and a lot of energy to operate. Water has several applications. It cools the steel, improves working conditions, and protects the equipment. You need large machines when you cut large metal pieces to length. Pay attention to the details. Do you see the water? Steel smelting is extremely dangerous. The heat is deadly. Other dangers are wastewater, air pollution, and health problems. This steelmaker removes slag from molten metal. Slag is a byproduct that can have several applications. Have you heard about CNC? CNC stands for computerized numerical control. A CNC laser cutter uses a high-focused laser beam. You can use it to cut, engrave, or mark steel to custom forms with great precisions. You can cut steel with a circular saw. RPM can be well over 5000. Which one is more dangerous, your keyboard or the circular saw? That is a philosophical question. The angle grinder is a versatile tool. Flatten your welds, soften your steel corners, keep your fingers away. Here they are in action grinding. What is more intense, your work from home environment or this metal shop? Philosophical question. Hot workers protect themselves when they weld. Do you protect yourself? 4 popular welding techniques you need to know about. Gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, flux cord arc welding. They found the first blacksmith tool in Egypt, a dagger from 1350 BC before Christ. Blacksmiths play an important part in history. Before the Industrial Revolution, they made all the steel and iron tools. An oxygen lance is used to blast furnace. You can use it to cut through thick materials. Here you see manufacturing of metal gears. Heat and water working together. The beauty is in the contrast. Do you have a great video idea or a group of workers we should honor? Comment below with your ideas.